Hello everyone. This year at the Louisiana Art and Science Museum, we're going to do a Halloween day at the museum a little bit differently. Now we're going to have the Harry Potter and the Star Wars show at the Planetarium as usual, but we won't be able to do the hands-on activities. Instead, we're going to show you how to do the hands-on activities yourself at your house. Now, before we do that, here are some materials you may need to do these activities on your own. So the first activity we'll be doing will be the how to make your own howler. So for that, you will need a piece of red paper, preferably cardstock. You'll need some strips of white paper. Doesn't really matter how big they are, just some strips of white paper and a strip of red paper. So really, if you have a sheet of white paper and a red piece of paper, you'll be okay to go. Also, of course, you'll need some pins. You'll need a glue stick. If you don't have a glue stick, you can get some tape and some scissors. Now we'll also be doing a make your own monster bookmark. You'll be able to put this little monster bookmark in your books to keep your space. Well, to do that, you'll need some pieces of paper cut into squares. This is 6" by 6". Now this can be any color. If you don't have colored pieces of paper, you can use regular white pieces of paper, but I have some red, green, yellow pieces of paper here. So really just some colored pieces of paper, some scissors, some tape, and some glue, and some markers as well. We'll also be showing you how to make your own wands, like this, like these here, and then you can color them any way that you'd like. So to do these, you will have to use a dowel rod. You can get these at Home Depot, Lowe's, any type of place that might have hobbies and crafts, maybe even a Hobby Lobby type of place. You can also get this on Amazon.com. If you don't have these dowel rods available, you can also go outside and get a stick from the backyard, something that fell from the tree, and you can shave it down some and participate with that. Now, I also use a hot glue gun for these wands. Of course, you will have to have some parental supervision for these activities that require the hot glue gun, but these wands are made with dowel rods, a hot glue gun, and some of these Sharpie oil-based paint pens that you can get at Amazon or any type of hobby and crafts place. So really, those are the only materials that you might need. Now, if you don't have a hot glue gun, that is fine. You can use string, you can use twine, you can use ribbon, something to make a handle with. So you can be creative with it. You don't have to use a hot glue gun. So those are the materials that you will need to do the activities on Halloween Day for our Halloween Day at the museum. Have fun, and I will see you then.